Hi everyone, we were talking about understanding the Visual Studio interface in this video and also like understanding like the report builder. First of all, let us welcome to my cyberspace and let us get right into it. And one of the things you want to do is you should at least get started and install SSRS or Visual Studio. In case you don't have that, watch my previous video and also do that. So you want to head over to search for Visual Studio. So it's best that we at least have Visual Studio installed, so we could continue without a code. Just very few things. Is most of the things you use will be in the file. So open is if you want to open a folder of a project that you have existing, or you want to open a or you want to create a new project. It's best you probably try to create a new project. The extension mostly is what you would also do. This is what, in case you want to install like different extension. One of the things you want to install is the report builder extension in case you don't have it. One of the things I think I also wanted to show you on interface that it would be great is the reports server configuration manager. The report server configuration manager, it's optional for you to have it, but you just click on connect, and whatever this native URL is, let's click on this link. In case yours doesn't load in properly, just make sure you reload. But just very few things. So this allows you to either create a folder. You can, if you click on paginated reports, it's just going to ask you to want it to download. So I could try to open this up. So you're not connected, server, and the connection is not. Do you want to continue? Yeah, we could try to connect, and that's fine. For you, it might ask you to download, and I could try to do all of this. And so let's just try to we could create a data set or whatever we want to do, but that's not what we want to do in this video. So that's something you could do. So you can also publish report parts, save as, just different things you could do. So I could save this to my reporting server in itself. So I could, this report that I have here, you could save. So because I've connected, so one of the things you want to do is, and just going back to this web again, this is what where it opened up. So you could open a new folder, click on data source. I explained how to do this in a different video. Publish is you probably might not use that. This is in case you want to change the view, manage folder, move things around. But I think this is mostly upload is in case I want to upload a report from my device and upload it and open, and that's all that you needed. In case this video was a valuable time, do also subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the other videos in this series. Thank you.